Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator water filter. This water filter is located in the upper right corner of the fresh food section. It's designed to clean water by reducing chlorine taste as well as most known tap water contaminants. The refrigerator water filter should be replaced in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old filter, simply press it in and let it go. Now we can pull it out. It's unlocked. I'm going to use a towel right there underneath because it's going to drip the water, and we're going to take it away. This is the old refrigerator water filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay guys, this is our new filter. Before installing it, we must take off these safety caps. Alright, so we have here a cutout, and we have this long tab. We're going to slide it in and press it in. It locks. And now we can close the door. Before using the water, you need to drain at least 5 cups through the dispenser. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.